Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got an Asda shopping haul for you. This shop's just been delivered. There are things in here I wouldn't normally order because we're having a little bit of a party tomorrow, so I've sort of catered for that as well, things that everybody would eat. So I'm going to start with frozen first. So for the frozen, I've picked up this is a kilogram bag, and I've picked up 3 chicken drumsticks, there's 3 there. And then here I've got 50 cocktail sausage rolls, and I've picked up 3 of those. And I believe that is, out of this lot here, that's all there is for the freezer. Everything else is fresh. So I'll now go on to the stuff I keep in the fridge. 2 hearts of celery, a bag of iceberg lettuce, 2 punnets of the baby plum tomatoes, some green grapes and red grapes to go with the cheese board. Picked up 2 of the mini pork pies. There's, how many are in this? I think there's 20, oh no, there's 12 in there. So I picked up 2 of those, and I'm just going to cut them in half. I've got 3 bags of baby potatoes, the baby new potatoes here. I've got a great big pack of, I can't believe it's not butter or whatever it is, that kilogram of that. I've got 2 of the bacon and leek quiches, 1 quiche Lorraine, and 1 vegetable mozzarella and pesto quiche. That's the crustless one, that one. Cocktail sausages, there's a pack of the hot and spicy, and then a pack of just the pork ones. 2 pieces of brie, 2 pieces of Stilton. This is a twin pack of Cathedral City extra mature cheese, and 2 packs of the smoked cheese. 2 packs of pate, so this is the Brussels with garlic, and this is just the Brussels, they're both smooth. Some corned beef, that's not for tomorrow, that's just to keep in the fridge. 2 packs of bacon, that's not for the party either. Gammon, which I need to cook today because that is, and some milk. And then for the pantry, sort of like dry goods, I've got these garlic crackers, cream crackers, salt and pepper crackers, and poppy and sesame seed crackers. The Sensations roasted chicken and thyme crisps, the sea salt and black pepper crisps, and another packet of these. I have got another packet of crisps in the garage. Little bites for particularly children. 24 mini bites of flapjacks, 22 of the caramel shortcake bites, 24 little flapjacks, and 18 rocky roads. Coffees for the Tassimo. I've got a pack of the cappuccino. I've got the pack of the creamers for the coffee, because I've got loads of like the L'Or Classique pods, and some hot chocolate. Now on to the household. I've got a big pack of 65 of the Quantum dishwasher tablets, the finished Quantum. They are, in my opinion, the very, very best. This was on offer for £10. Some Ziploc freezer bags, because I know I probably have stuff over. Some foil and some greaseproof paper ready to start baking. Air freshener. This is the Thai Orchid, and then some more Febreze, that's the pet one. Some thick disinfectant bleach, we get that just to hose down the patio because of the dogs, and a great big Zoflora, and then some hand soap, that's for the kitchen. And then on to soft drinks. So I've got 6 bottles of lemonade, 2 bottles of strawberry and watermelon. That sounds delicious, not had it before. What's this one here? That's Tropical Crush. That's a little bit like Lilt. It's a bit like Lilt. And then 2 Diet Colas, 2 ordinary colas, and then some Schlur, and then 2 appetizers. So they're sort of soft drinks. We've got loads of alcohol, but I won't bother to show you that because it wasn't from Asda. More household was just this kitchen towel, toiletry wise, new toothbrush for Chris, deodorant for Chris, deodorant for me, and some Besties dry shampoo for me. Dog wise, just treats, that's all we needed. So we've got the gravy bones, tripe sticks and dental chews, and we use nappy sacks for poo bags. Bread wise, we've got just a farmhouse loaf, the extra special range. We've got 2 packs of these white soft rolls. There's 24 in each pack. 2 cartons of the large free range eggs, and then I've got some seriously good Heinz mayonnaise, a large jar of the silver skin onions. If you can hear the noise, it's the washing machine. Some Branston pickle, HP brown sauce, and some salad cream. Then onto the gluten-free range, because my daughter is gluten-free, so the things that she can't eat I've replaced with gluten-free. All the cheeses and the meat and stuff like that she can eat, that's fine, and the salad, but this she can't. So she's got her own gluten-free sausage rolls, her own gluten-free quiches, some gluten-free flatbread so she can enjoy that with cheese, some gluten-free pretzels, and her gluten-free rolls. Holly does like a beer, so we've got her this gluten-free beer here, which we will obviously chill down. In the Asda shop today came to £158.98, which I don't think was bad for everything that I've got. So I hope you've enjoyed this Asda shopping haul, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.